Hey, you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a wife and mom to two littles, and I'm finally sharing another backyard makeover. We picked up a free Facebook marketplace playground that needed a lot of love. I'm showing you the reel here. My husband and his friends picked it up. They had to dismantle it. We rented a U-Haul and then they came back and rebuilt it all over again. I was inside cooking the whole day for them because it was a whole day thing, and I'm so appreciative. My husband did have to power wash it and then sand it down as well before we got to taking, and I say we, I mean him, taking everything off of it, like the slide and the swings. And then he started painting. We did utilize a paint sprayer for this project, and it's from Amazon. I would recommend it. It took us a little while to get used to how to use it correctly. My husband also had to replace some boards on the bottom that was rotten, but we learned that you have to water down the paint a lot, and the battery doesn't last too long. It comes with two, and so he had to alternate between the paint sprayer and the roller, but overall the paint sprayer did make it a lot easier for certain nooks and crannies that you wouldn't be able to get to with a roller brush. Later on in the video, we'll also be creating a little seating area to watch the kids play on the playground. And we've been loving these outdoor DIY projects. If you are not new here to our channel, we did a bunch of them last year, and overall this took a lot of elbow grease from my husband, but we're so grateful to be able to do this for our children. My daughter has been praying literally at nighttime to God for a playground, and we were never able to score one until now. And while my husband was doing that, I was inside building things like this Costway outdoor mud kitchen that they sent me, and my children are absolutely in love with it. I have worked with Costway before. They have quite literally everything on their website for such affordable prices. I have their affordable party tent, and we've had this for about 3 years. We pull it out every 4th of July, and it holds up great if you take care of it. I'm pretty sure you could search anything in their search bar and you'll find it at an affordable price. We're gonna put the mud kitchen underneath the playground, and it looks so good. But they also sent me an inflatable water slide for the summer, as well as a umbrella for the patio, and you'll see more of that later on in the video, but I'll leave a 10% discount code down below. Alright, you guys, it's super loud outside, but including the mud kitchen, this is everything that we got for the playground. We got some solar lights, 2 of them, replacement little accessories.
Oh my god!
And then also some full wasp nests, because we already been seeing some carpenter bees trying to get up in there, and it's not happening. My husband's about to start putting everything back. We're mulching this entire area, so I'm excited. Alright guys, as my husband is putting like the slide back and stuff, I'm here power washing with Dawn Power Wash and a power washer. I can't possibly, there's just so much to do. I also gotta power wash this over here, so yeah, there's just so much to do, and so I'm power washing here while he's over there. We're gonna get it done because our grass is getting cut tomorrow. We have somebody coming, so we have to clean up.
Honey, put your phone down. I know you've been hurting. This spiral's a lonely road. Take my hand.
Okay, you guys, so this is as good as it's gonna get right now. We have the mulch. We just got the weed barrier. Our plan is to mulch literally this whole area and even this corner right here. Probably gonna have to get more mulch, but he put up the lights, and we do still have to spray paint, and maybe down the road spray paint the slide and the handles. But he put in all the new accessories. We put the mud kitchen in there, but we're gonna mulch, so we have to take that out. And then we put up 2 wasp nests because there's been a carpenter bee trying to scare my kids away, and it keeps coming back. So this is how it's looking right now.
The way it looks at you, every touch you give. Now you gotta listen.
Also, like I said, we decided to do mulch because rubber mulch was way too expensive, and this is a budget makeover. All of our makeovers are budget because we're budget people. And so my husband, we already had this edging from previous projects, and then we used the weed barrier from Amazon that came with the stakes. We used about 10 to 12 bags on the playground area, and then I forgot how much in this little corner, but my husband ended up not using the edging on the patio corner, or the little seating area. And if you're not new here, we did a bunch of different areas on the other side of our yard. We have a huge yard, but it's like split up into different sections because the house and the garage separate all different parts. And so we haven't touched this side of the yard yet, but we knew we wanted to put a playground. But we've been looking on Facebook Marketplace for so long, and the free ones or the cheap ones go so fast, and that's pretty much all we could afford is like $100 or free 99. And so it was a miracle, honestly, from God that we were able to score this one, and it wasn't in terrible shape, but it was definitely a labor of love. It took a long time. We don't have much of a village, so we were just, everything that we do it with our children. My husband will come home from work on some nights and work on it even though he was tired, and we would come home from church and work on it. I think on this day we were actually just came home from church and we're working on it. And overall, I love how it looks, and I hope you guys stay to the end to see everything. And yeah.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can.
We are mulching. We're probably not going to have enough. That's all we have back there. We still have to put the weed barrier on that section. It's going to be a little plant seating area so I can watch them when they're over here. We're probably going to have to get way more mulch. We were going to get rubber mulch, but it's so expensive, as opposed to these are $2 a bag at Walmart. So So this was another week, I think, that we came home from church after we finished the playground. We had it like that for a while, and then we tackled this side. We did the same thing, the mulch and the weed barrier. And then we got these pavers from Home Depot. They were like $2 each. It wasn't too expensive. And we're going to create a little seating area using the Costway umbrella. And we have other seating areas on the other side of the yard. You guys will see a little bit of what we're doing on the other side. There will be more updates. My husband's doing a pond. We still have our fire pit area. We still have the DIY patio that we did last year with the actual like deck tiles. And then we have our garden area that's thriving right now with all vegetables. My husband took over this year, and he's like obsessed. But yeah, we have a lot of projects going on. But like I said, the house separates the other part, so I can't be on the other patio and watch my kids from that area because the house is in the way and the garage is in the way. So I knew I definitely wanted a seating area for when they're playing on the playground for me to be there, because I kind of got to move to different patio spaces depending on where they're playing. And so, yeah, this was a little affordable thing. We kind of did the same thing with putting down a piece of outdoor plywood and then the pavers on top. It's not that serious, you guys. Like, I know everybody's out there doing everything professionally, and I got so much hate on my videos from last year, like, oh, this is not professional and it's gonna be bad in no time. And they're still perfectly fine this year. Just a little bit of cleanup, and it's not that serious. Just do something that you could afford and enjoy, and just live life, because not everybody has the resources to do things professionally or perfectly. And you just do what you can do, and you thank God for what you do have. I love this umbrella. It looks so nice at night, and it's so huge. I think it's 10 feet. and it's gonna add, along with the solar lights from the playground, it adds lighting to this area.
Always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in, like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying.
So stakes hasn't worked for us in the past, so what he's doing is drilling holes into the brick, and then we're gonna try to mulch over all of this so you can't see it. It's just gonna look like a mountain of mulch, if we have enough mulch, because we're gonna be moving all of this mulch out the way to put the paver. New plan, we're gonna put a piece of wood that my husband had to make the tiles more stable, kind of like what we did in our previous last year's thing, but we're not digging it out.
Cause I remember everything you did and everything I became out of like a no. So why are you doing this tonight? You always know how to get me sentimental.
We are so lucky that that piece of wood was exactly like the lamp. It's just a random piece of wood. Where'd you even get that from? His job.
You push away then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away then you pull me back in, like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. Always say the right things, like you're pushing me away then you pull me back in, like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away then you pull me back in, like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying.
We're leaving off here. We have to get more mulch to cover the umbrella base and all the bricks. We also got to replace our covers for the basement windows. And then I'm gonna plant all those plants, get some pillows, clean the chairs. And we have a nice area to watch the kids when they are playing in the playground. So these are the lights right now, but they should look better in the night. I'll show you guys in the night. And we just have to, again, plant these and then cover that mess with some mulch. All right, it's like a few weeks later, pollen fell. We haven't I just pressure washed it a little bit because my son drew on it with chalk, but I'm about to plant some florals somewhere over there and then put some chairs and pillows and call it a day.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time in seconds?
So I don't even know how many weeks later this was, but as I said, the pollen fell, and this happens every year. We mulch and then the pollen falls. It is what it is. If you wait to mulch after the pollen falls in New York, you'll be doing your yard all the way like in midsummer. And so there's really no way around it. We have a bunch of trees and yeah, this day my husband wasn't home, but I had just picked up my daughter from school, and my son fell asleep in the car. So he's literally right next to me because my driveway is like right there, and he's sleeping in the car, and I'm just trying to plant these flowers with my daughter. Of course, I had the AC on, and I like, relax guys, I had the AC on, windows open and stuff, and I was watching him. He was literally right next to me. But just to show you that this took us so long, because we literally just we're just figuring it out. And if you're out there too and you want to do all these projects, but it just overwhelms you because you have kids and you don't have a village, you don't have anybody to watch them, just figure it out. If it takes you months, then it takes you months. Like, this is one of the longest projects that it took us, because we decided to just slow it down and do what we can each day. Previous projects, I would put so much pressure on myself because of YouTube to like get it done. But with this project, I just really took my time. We took our time and we did what we could do. Weeks went in between, but it's all good. It's done now, and it's done before summer vacations.
Find me, said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in places, going off to different places, different planets. What should all pass me by?
So I have to wait for my husband to come home. I did all this on myself. I just have to figure out if there's a way to hide those things, and my son won't go in until my daughter's home. I want to pick her up from school soon, but this is cool. You can like move it and wet each other, and then there's one above each slide. This is so cool. We also have another bounce house version of this, so like for 4th of July and stuff, if we host, we're gonna pull out both of these, and the other one's from Costway as well. So that's it, y'all. All glory to God. This was the first 90-degree weather day when we took out the inflatable, and overall I have just been loving, after I dropped my daughter off from school, coming here with my son, not having to spend money at a play place or any other like play cafe, and just having the liberty of coming outside and letting my son play and my daughter play in the playground. I love it. Stay tuned for more makeovers, God willing. As always, I'll see you in the next one. We have a pond coming, and we still have to fix up the things from previous years, so stay tuned. And just remember to stay grateful no matter where you are in your journey in life. There are people in other parts of the world that would kill to have what you have. So all glory to God, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing, as always.
What is right